what's up everybody, I'm Charlie, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make my delicious potato salad. This recipe can serve up to about 4 people and it is absolutely delicious. So let's get started. Here is all what you will need to make your potato salad. You will need 2 russet potatoes, eggs, mayonnaise, mustard, sweet relish, and for your seasonings you will need some salt, Tony Saturated Krill seasoning. Now if you don't have this, you can use Zatarain's Krill seasoning or the Slap Your Mama Krill seasoning. And for your additional seasonings you will need 1 yellow onion, celery, and some fresh parsley. For your tools, you will need a medium-sized bowl, and optional, you will need a potato masher and a potato peeler. And there we have it. Chop half of a yellow onion. Rinse your celery off before you chop it. Chop 2 stalks of celery. Rinse your parsley before you chop it. You're going to bunch all your parsley leaves together and we're just going to chop that up. Now you're going to chop this until it's coarse crumbs, like how you see here. Using the potato peeler, peel 2 russet potatoes. Chop your russet potatoes into medium-sized pieces. Here I have some cold water in a medium-sized bowl. Add 1 teaspoon of vinegar. Give that a quick stir. Add your potato chunks into the vinegar and water solution. Give that a quick toss. Not only does the vinegar and water solution help clean the potatoes, but it also prevents them from turning brown. We're going to let this sit for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, add your potatoes into a strainer. Preheat your fire to medium-high heat. Here I have 2.5 quarts of water into a medium-sized pot. Add 2 teaspoons of salt. Give that a quick stir. Now we're going to bring this to a boil. Our water is at a boil now. Add your potatoes. And 5 large eggs. Let this come to a simmer first, then let it simmer for 12 minutes. It's been about 12 minutes now. You're going to turn your fire off. Start by removing your eggs from the pot. And add your potatoes into a strainer. Let the potatoes cool completely. Crack the bottom and the top portion of the egg. Peel the shell off of the egg by rinsing it off with cold water. Now you want to make sure that you take your time with this. Using a sharp knife, cut an incision going around the egg. Be careful not to go too deep. And we're going to remove the egg yolk out and place that into a separate bowl. We're going to take our egg whites and we're going to chop those up. We're going to chop them up until they're minced, like how you see here. Here are our egg yolks. We're going to take a spoon and we're just going to smash the egg yolks up. Now if you don't want to use this, you can use a potato masher if you like, but a small spoon will do. Add 1/3 cup of mayonnaise, a half a teaspoon of Tony Chachere's Creole seasoning, and 2 teaspoons of yellow mustard. Stir all your ingredients together. We've transferred our potatoes into a medium-sized glass bowl. Let's add some seasoning. Add 1/4 cup of chopped yellow onion, 1/4 cup of chopped celery, and 1/4 cup of sweet relish. Stir all your ingredients together. Add your chopped egg whites. Stir all your ingredients together. Add your mayonnaise mixture. Stir all your ingredients together. And our potato salad is now done. Now you're going to take this and place this into your refrigerator and keep this in your refrigerator at all times. Now for the final step, we're going to sprinkle some parsley right on top. And that's it, ladies and gentlemen, potato salad. If you like my channel, you can subscribe to it. You can also check out this recipe along with all of my other recipes, as well as contact me or donate to the channel. Visit www.charliethecookandrews.com. You can also like, follow, or contact me on Facebook at www.facebook.com/charliethecookandrews. Stay tuned as Charlie's taste test is coming up next. Now it's time for Charlie's taste test. Nothing like potato salad. The potato salad is nice, creamy, well seasoned. You could taste those potato chunks along with the eggs, the mayonnaise, the mustard, the onion, the celery, the relish, and you have that hint of Tony Chachere's in there. Very, very good. I'm telling y'all, try the recipe. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen, potato salad. Hope you all enjoyed the video. Until next time, take care, and I hope you all have a blessed day. Peace.